Good morning students, here we are going to see adjectives. So let's see its definition at first. An adjective is a word that qualifies or modifies a noun. It answers the questions which, how much, how many or what kind asked of the nouns. Means all of you have read in your earlier classes also, all of you know very well that an adjective is a word that qualifies or modifies a noun. Means it tells more about noun, it adds some more information about noun, okay, and also it answers the questions which, how much, how many or what kind, okay. For example, an entertaining film means what kind of film is there, okay, it is an entertaining film, okay. So entertaining is adjective. Next is 4 cups, how many, you can say it is the answer of how many. 4 cups, how many cups are there? 4. Or you can see examples in sentence. It is a good idea to recycle old newspapers and magazines, okay. It is a good idea means what kind of idea it is? Good, okay. So good is adjective here. Next is old, okay, what kind of newspaper it is? Old, then old is adjective here. Second example is groundwater is an important source of fresh water, okay. So what kind of source? Groundwater is an important source of fresh water, okay. Here it is the word answers the question of what kind, okay. So important is adjective here. Means simply you can say that adjective is the word that qualifies noun, okay. It tells more about noun, okay. Now see here, it is a point given. An adjective gives clarity to a sentence. Means कोई भी sentence है तो sentence को थोड़ा clarity यानी थोड़ा clear करता है, चीज़ों को clear करता है adjective, okay. You can see example, Sneha is carrying a green bag, okay. तो so Sneha is carrying a bag, ठीक है. लेकिन if we are speaking that Sneha is carrying a green bag means we are giving clarity, we are giving some more information, okay. थोड़ा सा और हम clear कर रहे हैं कि स्नेहा जो है वो green bag carry कर रही है, okay. Next one is the project was a huge success, okay. Success, the project was a success, project सफल रहा, ठीक है, okay, fine, okay. बट इफ़ यू आर एडिंग द वर्ड यूज कि यूज सक्सेस मीन्स बहुत बड़ा सक्सेस रहा, ओके. यूज मीन्स विशाल, ओके. सो यूज इज हियर मीन्स यू कैन द डेफिनेशन, ओके. डेफिनेशन को ये रिलेट करता है, ओके, दैट हमारा सक्सेस, जो प्रोजेक्ट का जो सक्सेस रहा वो बहुत ग्रैंड रहा, यूज़ रहा. सो यूज़ इज़ द वर्ड दैट इज़ मीन्स इट इज़ क्लैरिफाइंग मोर अबाउट सक्सेस, ओके. सो यूज़ इज़ एडजेक्टिव हियर, ग्रीन इज़ एडजेक्टिव हियर. सो वंस अगेन सी एडजेक्टिव इज़ अ वर्ड, ओके, that describes or that qualifies or modifies a noun. noun के बारे में जो थोड़ा विस्तार से बताए, noun के बारे में जो थोड़ा और अच्छे से बताए, that word is called adjective. Now we will see some more important points about adjective. Adjectives usually occur between the determiner and the noun, okay. All of you have read determiner also and all of you have read noun also. So adjective जो है वो generally determiner और noun के बीच में आता है. For example, my friend Manju is a famous dancer, okay. My friend Manju is a famous dancer. So famous is adjective here. Now tell me what is determiner and where is noun. So A is determiner and dancer is noun. Next is before a noun, mean adjective usually occur before a noun. फिर कुछ sentences में adjective जो हैं वो noun के पहले आते हैं. For example, there were tall trees, okay, tree is a noun, okay. इट्स अ कॉमन नाउन एंड टॉल ट्रीज हैं लेकिन टॉल हैं, लंबे हैं, ओके. सो टॉल इट इज़ एडजेक्टिव. एंड लवली फ्लावर्स इज ऑल्सो कॉमन नाउन, ओके. सो नाउन के पहले लवली लगा है, सो लवली इज इट इज़ ऑल्सो अ क्वालिफाइंग वर्ड लाइक टॉल, ओके. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो एडजेक्टिव. देयर वर tall trees and lovely flowers in the park. Next is the third point is after a linking verb. Linking verb, what are linking verbs? Auxiliary or helping verbs are known as linking verbs. Okay, after a linking verb such as is or has, or an intransitive verb such as seem, appear or look. Intransitive verb means main verb. Okay, so once again here, after a linking verb यानी linking verb के बाद और an intransitive verb such as seem, appear और look. Okay, या main verb के बाद भी. Okay, for example here the audience was disappointed. Okay, this is linking verb means helping verb or you can say auxiliary verb. Okay, so the audience was disappointed, तो linking verb के बाद या linking verb, auxiliary verb या helping verb के बाद हमारा adjective भी आ सकता है. Okay, so disappointed is adjective या main verb के बाद भी adjective आता है. For example, you can see in the second sentence the winner looked surprised. Okay, looked, this is main verb and after that surprised, this is adjective. means adjective जो है वो कहाँ कहाँ आता है? Firstly, it comes between determiner and noun. You can see here A is determiner, answer is common noun. ये दोनों के बीच में आया famous. Secondly, before a noun, noun के पहले आता है trees, it is noun, flowers, it is noun, tall and lovely, it is adjective. Okay, next one is after a linking verb or an intransitive verb. Okay, means main verb और helping verb के बाद भी आता है adjective. Okay, अलग अलग sentences में. Okay, now we will see formation of adjectives. means nouns जो हैं हमारे. ओके, द वर्ड दैट इज नाउन, हाउ डज इट बिकम एडजेक्टिव. ओके, so let's see, we can form adjectives from nouns and verbs by adding suffixes. Okay, here verbs is also given. means noun या verb को हम adjective कैसे बनाते हैं? how will you convert noun or verb, okay, to adjective? then how? by adding suffix. okay, suffix लगा के हम noun या verb को adjective बना सकते हैं. what kind of suffixes will you add? such as full, less, like, y, ly, ish, and ike, l, eve, ry, able, tl and ous. okay, all of you have read suffix and prefix also. once again here I have written. okay, we will see at first, let's see the example कि how. okay, how noun और verb, कैसे noun और verb जो है वो हमारे suffix के use से adjective में convert होते हैं. care. okay, care is noun. now care is which noun? care is abstract noun. okay, so care is a noun and we will add the set of letters full here. this is suffix. suffix full add करेंगे, care plus full and the word will become careful and this is adjective. okay, careful mother. mother is very careful. okay, understood? so mother यानी mother is noun, it is common noun, mother word is common noun. so and careful is the word that is describing more about mother. so careful is adjective. okay, so care, it is noun, abstract noun, care plus full, this is suffix, care plus full plus careful, this is adjective. again act. act is verb. okay, act is verb. act means you can say kriya. okay, हरकत करना. okay, act plus ive, this is suffix. okay, so act plus eve plus is equal to active. active is what? this is adjective. okay, ये हमारा adjective बन गया. next one is child. child is noun, of course it is common noun. child plus ish is equal to childish, is its suffix. child is noun. okay, so child plus is equal to childish. childish is adjective. okay, because ये words जो हैं, these words are used more to describe noun. okay, now we will see. okay, suffix and prefix. a suffix is an affix or a group of letters. suffix is an affix or a group of letters that is added to the end of a word, whereas prefix is an affix or a group of letters that is added to the beginning of a word. okay, suffix जो है वो एक शब्दों का ऐसा समूह है दैट इज एडेड टू द एंड ऑफ वर्ड, जो किसी भी वर्ड के एंड में लगता है. ओके, और उसकी मीनिंग को चेंज करता है. whereas जबकि prefix is an affix or a group of letters that is added to the beginning of a word, लेकिन prefix जो है it is added to the beginning of a word, ये word के प्रारंभ में जाके लगता है, okay, and it makes the meaning quite opposite, okay. Well, now we'll see the examples of suffix and prefix. Suffix we have seen here also, okay. Once again let's see: full, less, like, ly, y, okay. These all are the example of suffix, okay. Yes, these all are the example of suffix. Next one, you can see here: careful, care plus full is equal to careful, noise plus wise is equal to noisy. Example of prefix is un, dis, in, miss, ir, for, extra, anti, mid, etc. There are so many examples of prefixes, okay. For example, mid plus night is equal to midnight. Extra plus curricular is equal to extracurricular, okay. So these are the examples of suffix and prefix. Next day we will see degrees of comparison, okay. We will see degrees of comparison.